Hi, I'm Eleanor and welcome to my channel. I have been teaching for about 12 years now, and there is one thing I have to confess right at the start. Something you might have noticed already from listening to me, but my accent is not a standard British English accent. I'm not from England, I'm not from Scotland or Wales, I'm not from the States. So my accent is a little bit different. I'm from Northern Ireland, and I think for most of you who are learning English, you also have an accent, and that's okay. And it tells a story about our identity and where we are from, how we've learned English, how we got to where we are now. So for me, the important thing is not whether you have this accent or that accent. The important thing is that we are learning a language to communicate, to meet people, to socialize, to travel, to work, to live, basically. So what do I do as a teacher? What am I like as a teacher? So I suppose primarily I started off learning languages. I loved languages. I loved learning French at school. I learned Spanish as well. I've learned some German and Portuguese, and I really enjoy learning new languages and talking to people from other cultures. And I think that that's something that I bring into my language teaching, because I want to help other people to have that experience as well. I want other people to be able to share their personality and their culture with people from other countries, and the medium for doing that really is through English. So as a teacher, my focus is on communication. I want to help people to communicate. Sometimes people can be very shy about their level of English and they need more confidence. Sometimes there are people who use English regularly, so confidence isn't so much a problem, but they feel held back by maybe a lack of accuracy or something like that. So I like to help people find that balance between being fluent and confident, but also being able to speak with a good degree of accuracy. So wherever you're from, whatever your level, I'm here to help you. Hit like, subscribe, and let's go on this journey together.